Training and Experience Report. These are the documents to be submitted to demonstrate your training and experience in the field of engineering. There will be a forms that require you to fill, where your training and experience are being organized in accordance to the competency elements. And you will need to provide evidence to demonstrate your competency in different aspects. At the same time, it is optional for you to submit the training and experience report, although it is not specified in the guideline. These reports were normally prepared as the old assessment method will require these two reports. At the same time, this report will be quite friendly to your professional interviewer for them to quickly assess your background and your scope of works. Personally, I feel that it is always a good practice for you to submit the training and experience report on top of the required document as required by Eng-aim. In these videos, we're going to discuss about some suggested content for the training and experience report, and it is necessary to note that those suggested content are purely based on my personal opinions and experience. It may be or may not be applicable for your case. You may take it as a guide and adapt it as necessary. The purpose of the training and experience report is to introduce yourself and to concisely summarize your professional training and experience in the field of engineering. These are the suggested content for the training and experience report. I divided it into three main parts, which are the introductions regarding your personal background, which include your personal detail, your education qualifications, and the list of your working experience. And the working experience is preferably be presented in a chronological order. Next, you provide some brief explanations regarding your training and experience in various aspects. These include the teaching and research for academicians, management experience, design experience, site experience, and other training experiences which is qualified for CPD and PDP. For non-academicians, you can omit the teaching and research part. As myself is an academician, I shall put my main role and responsibility in my routine works in front, which are teaching and research. If you are non-academicians who practicing engineering in the industry, you are recommended to put your main role and responsibility in front of your training and experience report. It can be for the design experience for the designer or the site experience for the site engineers. You may also list out your training experience with the seminars and talks and state their respective CPD and PDP hours. It is good also to clearly state that the total CPD and PDP hour which you have acquired throughout your training. Lastly, I will make a summaries to demonstrate my accumulated durations with respect to different aspects of training and experience in comparison to the requirement as outlined by Eng-aim to be eligible to seek for the professional interview assessment. And lastly, conclude your training and experience report.